Hi and welcome to our video on how to use a pH meter. First, we're going to have to do a 2-point calibration. For this calibration, we'll be using buffer solutions of pH 7 and pH 4, since we'll be measuring acidic solutions. As seen here, we had to wait for the voltage to stabilize in order to get a correct reading for each buffer. As well as this, we washed off the probe every time we used it in a different solution. Once this curve is set up, we can use it in order to find the pH of an unknown solution. While other buffers are being calibrated, I will talk about what a buffer is. A buffer is a solution that is resistant to pH change. They are formed from a conjugate acid and base that react with either a strong acid or base to turn it into a weak acid or base. An example is the addition of a fluorine ion and hydrofluoric acid. Nice little definition slide and a drawing I made. Well, talking about the buffers, I talked about strong and weak acids. But what are strong and weak acids? Any acid dissociates in water, whether it be weak or strong, and releases H+ ions that turn into hydronium that lower the pH. However, weak acids only partially dissociate in water, causing a decent but relatively small drop in pH, whereas strong acids completely dissociate, causing a drastic drop in pH. This can be mitigated using a buffer, as seen here. After calibrating the pH meters, we look for the pH of unknown solutions. The first one pictured here is apple juice. After measuring the pH, we rinsed off the probe, especially since it was a sugary solution, capped it properly, and wrote down our results. The next unknown solution was hydrochloric acid in an unknown concentration. Though we did measure through the full pH, we decided to skip bits of the wait for it to reach its final pH, because that took about 2 minutes. We don't want a 20-minute video. Once again after use, we washed off the probe and capped it properly. Wash, rinse, and repeat. The third solution we measured was acetic acid. Once again, we decided to blink past the process of it leveling, though it did take about 2 minutes. The final solution measured was orange juice, which we were very careful to rinse out of the probe after measurement. Thanks for watching!